have just finished a project on Chira Lugogo bypass of installing plants. And for me, this entrepreneurial journey is who I am.
Yeah.
This journey is a decision that you wake up in the morning and make. Not even your lovely partner who loves you very much, or your parents or your siblings are going to do it for you.
Yeah.
You will reach a time and everyone will think you're crazy.
Yeah.
Everyone will think you're working too hard. Oh, this is not going to work. But at the bottom of yourself, what do you believe that this is going to work?
Yeah.
It is so interesting that people will come around.
When you're successful.
I am not yet successful.
When you
I am beginning to see the light.
Yes.
And now I am very sure, because I know if I say I'm not going to buy body oil
Yeah.
for a whole year, for me, my family, and my friends,
Yeah.
I will
Already.
simply produce it.
Yeah.
And it is now working.
Yeah.
So I appreciate their doubts. It's also not easy
It's
to
very
see someone who is putting things together. And you're like, you didn't even study this. I've
Yeah.
got that question quite a
especially
lot.
when you're in data jobs. We call it the
Yes.
data jobs. There's how people name our kinds of work. Okay, me myself, of course, I tell people I'm a hawker. I've been a hawker, and I'm a hawker. I hawk shoes, you know. And then at one point, a friend of mine told me, how do you keep in a shop and just wait for a customer, 1, 2, like that? How do you manage and how do you survive? And after some years, I met them. I said, what are you doing? He said, I'm here, I'm doing nothing. I said, okay, now, why didn't you wait for that one customer and keep polishing your business? Today you'd be fine. Because they used to have a business as well. But they said it was boring and they felt it's too cheap for the whole of them to keep in the shop and wait for one client.
The whole of them.
So this is very interesting. And we have a lot of lessons to learn out of this. And our viewers, I would suggest that to prove this, come to this place just to see. You're allowed to come in, see as a woman out there. You may be a house mother as well. Come in, get your day and drive around or walk and just come in here to see. We are, she allows anybody to come and learn. I also tell people, it's good to copy. Come and copy her.
Yes.
Copying is good. But what matters? How do you sustain that copy? It's like when you look at somebody very smart and you look, I want to copy her smartness, but are you ready to sustain the smartness? Because when you're smart, you don't step anyhow. You don't walk anyhow. You don't
just sit anyhow.
You can copy anything, guys. You can copy. I am Bravo. Say Bravo shoes, You can copy my business. It's okay. But are you ready to go through the gestation period?
Exactly.
So most people don't or are not patient to go through the gestation period for this business or anything they do. And should you be ready to go through the gestation period, you can be greater than even us.
Yes.
The issue is be great in what fields you're in. There's a lot of demand of plants.